Okay guys, today's video is a part 2 of truck spotting. Here comes an 18-wheeler. Okay, well, no truck honked on that time.
You see that tire in your house?
Yeah, I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's cows.
Are you recording on YouTube or what are you recording on?
I'm recording on YouTube. But I can just click. Hey guys, we just moved up a little bit. So that way they can see us better. So let's hope we can get some trucks to honk. It's early in the morning.
This video is gonna be probably better than the last video because we got a.
It may be a little longer.
Because it'll be a better video.
Yeah, yesterday it was hotter than ever. But can I show y'all something very cool? If we go down here. Oh my God, look at this drainage. I don't know if y'all can see in there, but it's pitch black in there.
Why do you put the camera down? Like the camera down. Why can't you put it up?
Oh God, it's very slippery. Okay, that's all we wanted to tell y'all. So
We'll come back with.
we'll come back when there's a truck. There's an 18. Shh, shh, shh. Quiet.
Very dangerous. What if they just turn and
Okay, he didn't want to honk for us. We got more 18-wheelers coming down this way, so
let's go!
get ready, y'all. Okay, we're gonna get closer.
Look, come
Make a good day for us.
Yeah! Did you record him?
Yep, I did. I have it on old video. Woo! All right, guys. Okay, guys, we're gonna come back out after lunch. Sorry, breakfast. It's early in the morning right now, but I'm gonna show y'all this. This is the other side. We found this in the road, like dug in there, like this big metal cable ran all the way up to that big thing. Yeah, there's more concrete, and then I'm gonna hop over this. Yeah, we'll come after breakfast and try to get some more trucks to honk. Yeah, we'll see after. We'll see after. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, there's trucks coming, so we're actually gonna not go to breakfast yet. Yeah, we're gonna wait for these trucks to come by. They're right down there. We'll clip them when they get closer.
No, just please.
Yeah, but they're pretty far. Okay, yeah. But there's a pickup. There's 2 pickup trucks down there, but one guy looks like he's tailgating.
Here,
Him
we'll honk
very-
that side. Okay, you honk this. You honk this. I see it.
Yeah, there's an 18-wheeler.
There's 2.
Okay. Okay, guys, sorry about that. Here comes the 18-wheelers.
Come on. Come on.
Watch out, Avery. God, you're blocking the video.
Yeah. You didn't record it like this, like that.
Okay, so guys, get them to honk.
Record them going out with you.
Whoa, that was crazy, y'all. All the trucks honked. Thank you. Thank you.
Well, we're gonna go eat breakfast too.
Yeah, we probably were going to eat breakfast now. That's probably going to be it for that. Okay. We'll see you after
Bye.
breakfast. We'll tell you if we're probably going to come. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, we're back. There's an 18-wheeler coming. As y'all can see, there's an 18-wheeler. We got him to honk. Guess we'll see when another truck comes by. Sorry for the rush. Okay, guys, there's an 18-wheeler coming. Okay, his horn wasn't that loud. Okay, guys, there's an 18-wheeler coming. So we'll try getting him to honk for us. We did that. Okay, guys. He's coming. The wind's blowing like crazy today. Alright. Okay, guys, here. Oh, never mind. Sorry about the wait. There's no trucks coming. Well, we thought there were some trucks coming, but there's no trucks coming. While we wait, I'm going to show y'all these signs that are here. Oh, God. Oh, sorry. Yeah. There's one of the signs. This one's sign's a little bit faded out. Highway that it's on, and road goes down that way. Yeah, sorry. We thought there was an 18-wheeler, but it wasn't. We'll come back when an 18-wheeler comes. Okay, guys, there's an 18-wheeler coming. Let's hope we can get him to honk.
Are you sure that's an 18-wheeler?
Yep, that's an 18-wheeler.
I thought it was a car or something.
Or is that a bus? I can't tell. Okay, just don't get too close to the highway. Okay, well, yeah, I don't think he wanted to honk at us for some reason. But there he is, leaving. Come on, man, you gotta honk. Alright, well, we'll come back when another 18-wheeler comes. Okay, guys, we're on the side of the road right now, and look what we found. We found more metal of this cable.
So look, where are my fingers? Show them. So this right here is tire marks that probably leads all the way over here. See that little, and then turns around again, and then
Yeah.
probably someone had an accident.
Because look at all, look, we found cones broken up, like these markers. I don't know what that is, like markers. Yeah, but look, if you look, there's a bunch of tire marks in here. Oh, guys, anyways, I think there's a truck coming. I'm pretty sure there's a truck coming, y'all. So let's get ready. There may be. It does have a double line. No. Okay, guys, sorry. I'm not a good cameraman. But, no, that's just pickup trucks. So I didn't find any. Loud. And here comes this pickup truck. Comes. Alright, well, we'll catch you up when an 18-wheeler. Okay, guys, there's an 18-wheeler coming. It was like a second after I paused the other video. Or the other clip. Oh, this is probably. Woo! Ha! Okay, that little car. Oh! Oh, the wind's crazy when these guys drive by. Okay, guys, there goes those trucks. There may be some more trucks coming up from that side. I don't know, but we got one of them to honk. All right, we'll see you in the next truck. Okay, guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Yeah. Please have a great day, y'all. We'll see you probably next week when we're back here, maybe in 2 weeks. But we'll see you again when we're back here.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching.